What's up to all my model car builders out there on YouTube? This is Derek Cordray coming at you with a update on current build that I'm working on. It's a 77 GMC Plow truck. Wanted y'all to see what I'm doing so far and hear what you think. So, kind of keeping it like I want to go with a weathered look, something that's been used, and pretty good kit, I think. Goes together pretty easily. There's a little gas tank. Show you here. Kind of see if it'll focus. I kind of gave it a little weathered look to it. There we go. Now it's focusing. There's that. And then obviously here's the body itself. It's a kind of an emerald green color. No clear or anything on it yet. About 3 coats on that. And then kind of went with a dingy looking interior here. Basically kind of washed the recesses in there. Kind of give it that dirty work truck look. So yeah, that's it on that. I also wanted to show Dr. Cranky the rest of my builds here. You've seen a video of mine that was done about a year ago, so I've done quite a bit more since then. So I'm going to show you that here and show you my display case. Well, here's that one dragster that you saw. It's all complete. It came out great. And voila, here's my display case. It's a case from an old store. I got it off Craigslist for about 25 bucks. It's fairly big. I can get the whole thing in there. About 6 feet tall. Put some lights in it myself, and there they are. I'm really big into drag cars. And then some die casts that I have. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.